I am Martha Jackson Jarvis, and I'm a sculptor. I live in Washington, D.C., and I'm here doing the restoration and reinstallation of a project that I built for Spoleto in 1997. And so I have the opportunity to see it refurbished and recreated in a wonderful new garden space here at Spoleto.
This is part of Human Nature, which is an exhibition that we did about 12, 13 years ago now. And it was an exhibition that was meant to involve a lot of Charleston. And clearly the nature of Charleston is, the environment of Charleston is a man-made environment. I mean, that is, when we go into the woods, they are all second growth or third growth. So what we wanted to do is to somehow reveal it in different ways, and invited a number of artists who, they went from Cypress Gardens to White Point Gardens. And it was, I think, a fabulous exhibition, and there were a number of pieces that remained from it, including Martha Jackson Jarvis's piece.
The title of the piece was Rice, Rattlesnakes and Rainwater. So the rain barrels, if you will, I thought about this notion that Charleston always spans the thread of being overrun by water, and that water was so central to its development. Within the house structures are these rice plants. And then also, who could possibly visit Charleston and not be struck with the architecture? And then I was really struck with the incredible oyster shell formations in Charleston. They grow differently here. They grow in this incredible clusters, and they're very beautiful. So I used them in terms of being part of a structural kind of fabrication of the forms themselves. And I think Charleston, it's just alive. When you visit, you walk down any little street and you encounter, this extraordinary kind of layering of history. So that there's almost a natural narrative that kind of evolves out of the landscape that I'm always very interested in. And I think Charleston really probably does it best.